Okay, another little update. I think that I'm going to add a certificate onto my major because I pretty much can graduate a whole semester early, which I don't want to do that because I have a really good scholarship. So I'm like, might as well make them pay more and get more out of it. And so I wasn't sure if I wanted to add a minor or not. I had a call, like a Zoom call with my academic advisor, and she was like giving me these options, and none of them, I didn't like any of them. She was like, you can add this minor, it's a lot of statistics. And I was like, that is why I almost dropped out of college last year. And then she was like, there's this one that it's really communications based, but if you have any communication minor or major, you need to take a public speaking class, and I'm really bad at it. So I was like, no. But then I found a certificate online that is a small business and entrepreneurship like certificate. That is something that I was interested in. So I emailed her about it, and I was like, so how will this affect my schedule? Do we need to make any changes to my classes for next semester? So she hasn't responded yet, but I will keep you updated if and when she does, because I'm assuming she will. I might just need to make a whole other like Zoom call with her, but that one, I was looking at it and it just looked really interesting and something that is like up my alley, because something that I want to do when I graduate is start like a little business. And I probably should have been majoring in entrepreneurship this whole time, but marketing is more of like a backup plan kind of thing. If YouTube doesn't work out, then that's my backup. I feel like I'm just rambling right now. I'm just like in the mood to chit chat. Here, I'm ready. Did I show you my whole outfit? We just took the photos for the book. Now it is time for me to edit them. I've been working on one assignment all day and I'm still not done with it. Yeah, I've literally done nothing today. I've showered. That's it. All I've done. Oh, no, I emailed someone. Yeah. 1 o'clock. I have not gotten anything done. I'm like, how has this day gone by so fast and I haven't completed a single thing? Hopefully I can get these edited and sent and then finish my assignment for my class, and then hopefully I'll do stuff after my class. Most of the time after this class, I'm like, screw it. I don't want to do it. Done with school for the day, but like I can't do that today because I have too much to do. I got another package. I had to pick it up before the business day ends at 2 o'clock. It's the rest of the clothes that I ordered that weren't in the original. Oh, I forgot I ordered this. This cropped hoodie. It says Montreal. I think this is, yeah, it is. Another one of the same tank top. Oh no, this one's different because it has like a little slit in it, but it's blue. Yeah. Okay, now I really need to get working. I just finished an assignment where we basically had to do like a mock interview, and it was like someone asked you the question and then it gave you like 5 seconds and then it recorded yourself answering it, and it was freaking me out because the whole time there was like a timer on it. It was like, oh my gosh, am I talking too fast? Am I talking too slow? It's freaking me out, but I did it, so it's all good. I think okay, this is honestly the rest of my to-do list for the day. Okay, right now I have a class waiting for it to start. Typically I go to in person for this class, but today we're doing it fully online, so we get to meet all of our group members for a group project.
It's a different story until you do it. So I'm very excited for the group project, and I truly believe this is going to be very helpful for you guys. All the efforts and thoughts onto your research.
Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. I am on my way to get some blood work done. My skin is looking really bad. Blood work. Ugh. Back home now. The place actually had a sign that said like no cameras or videos, and I was like, but no one wants to see blood coming out of me anyways. I'm submitting my daily health check. Whenever I do it on my computer, it's like shorter, so I'm like, yeah. I just did a discussion board and a quiz, and then I actually added a certificate. Well, I didn't add it, I requested to add it, so they need to like approve it, but adding a certificate to my major. If I get this, I will eventually have to learn how to spell entrepreneurship, which I do not know how to spell. I did my quiz. First I missed one, and then I got it right, and I was very impressed with myself. And then now there's an extra credit module, which I think that I will do. This is my women's studies, my women in sexuality class, and this is actually my last discussion board. It's over after this, like it's a session A, so we'll be done. I'm kind of confused because normally we need to like cite things, but this one is like kind of like a personal thing, so I'm like, I don't know, just talking through my options. Okay, I actually just read the assignment and it did say to add citation, so I just wasn't reading it. Good morning. Today is Thursday. So far today I had my class and then I've just been working on an assignment and then giant package delivered. I'm kind of confused because I ordered something from Target that was supposed to be here on Monday and it's now Thursday and it's not here. So I'm kind of confused if it got lost in the mail because I thought this package was it. I have no idea what's in this package. I'm doing a sponsorship with Amazon within the next coming weeks and so they're sending me stuff for it. So this is like Christmas. You gotta find out what's in it because I have no idea. Well, I have an idea. I don't know. They kind of gave me a list of things that could be in it, but like they weren't like this is what's in it. Well, actually they did. Big box. The lady was like, what the heck? Yeah. Okay. We got some bubble wrap, but these aren't even like the poppable bubble wrap. Oh, there's another box in here. Okay. Oh, this is, they always do this. Countdown to Prime Day. Oh, am I supposed to do this on camera? Oh my gosh, wait, I might have, oh. If I'm supposed to unbox this, not in this video, in a different video, it's all wrapped. I need to text Fred, my manager, be like, I don't want to mess this up, but like, I'm really intrigued. Open on a, oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. This is like one of those like countdown things. I need to post this on my story. I texted my manager, he hasn't responded yet, but I feel like this is like a safe one to open. Do you know what I mean? Like this is so fun, and if I accidentally mess it up, then I will just rewrap it. You guys will know. Vlog Squad, is that what people call these? October 1st. Don't know if I'm supposed to be opening this, but I am. Oh, they wrapped it so nicely. I'm like trying to like preserve the wrapping just in case I'm not supposed to be opening it. Okay, well now I need to do a puzzle. I'm assuming they're not making me do this, but like now I want to do this. These ones fit together. They don't. No, they don't. They don't fit together. Ah, these ones fit together. It was a puzzle. Amazon Prime Day, the 13th and 14th. I wonder if this video will be uploaded by then, but this is fun. Yeah, follow me on Instagram if you guys, well, I don't know when this video will be uploaded, but if you guys want to see everything that I got in these, well, not let me know, follow me so you can see. Okay, also I have more tea on the apartment. Another thing that they're doing that's really annoying. When we toured the apartment, the lady that like gave us the tour that works for our apartment complex told us that we can like poke holes in the wall, that they would rather us like nail things into the wall than use command strips. I don't know the reasoning behind it, but that's what she told us, and we're like, sweet, sick. Nail a ton of things into my wall, stuff in the living room too. They sent out an email saying that we can't poke anything in the hole, we can't paint over hole or patch them up if we do poke them in, we can't have anything on our balcony, so we can't like hang things off the balcony, which like whatever, but then it was like you can't have like plants out there, you can't, and I'm like, do our chairs count? You can't have anything like facing your window, you can't, and it was just like all these extreme rules that we were like, okay, but when we toured the place they did not say any of that. My roommate emailed them back and they haven't responded yet. My arm looks so long from this angle. I was just stretching and then I was like, whoa, my arm is so long, I want to show them.
SPSS installed on my computer. What I'm gonna do is exactly the same thing that we did last week. I'm gonna access SPSS.
Hello, now we're in my kitchen. I'm currently home alone. All my roommates are at a bar right now, and so I'm here. They invited me. It's not like a big deal. Like I made the decision that I don't want to go out in that way during COVID. Like I'm not going to go to bars or frat parties. I'll go to restaurants and things like that. I made that decision. So I don't know how to like say this. I made the decision and I know it's the right decision to make for myself and for those around me, but it still doesn't make me, I still get sad when all my friends go out and have a fun time and I don't, but I do know that it is the right decision for me. In order for me not to cry like I did last time when this happened, I made a to-do list of things that I want to do. It's almost 9 o'clock. The first thing that I want to make is a freaking Yonana. I have not talked to you guys about this, but it is game changing. Yes, let me get it. Here she is. Here she is. I'll link it down below. My roommate Chloe bought this, and essentially what it is it turns bananas, frozen bananas, into the texture of ice cream. So if I had ice cream, I would be eating it, but I ate my entire pint in one night. They're frozen and I've been letting them thaw for a little bit. I find that it's easier to use it when they're thawed. I'm not kidding when I say that this is like literally the best thing in the world. I get so excited every time I get a Yo Nana. It's kind of intense, so just be warned. It sounds like it's screaming. I don't want these to be in the way. Are they still like frozen? The banana in here, I have mine chopped up. Turn it on. What? Turn it on. Are you kidding me? I'm going to cry if I don't get my, no, I need to figure this out. This is all I wanted. Is someone here? All I'm saying is I think I'm really funny. Good morning, you guys. Yesterday I did absolutely nothing on my night to-do list because I was really sad about the Yo Nana, and I bought another one. But I was also sad that this is like weird to talk about because it's like since first world problems, and it's like I made this decision for myself that I'm not going to frat parties, I'm not going to bars, I'll go to restaurants. Like I already said this. Still doesn't make it easier when all your friends go out and have a good time and then they talk about it and they're laughing and then you're sitting there and you're like, I've done nothing. And I was sitting home alone watching the Selena Gomez TV show on HBO. Yeah, it's been a day. I don't know if any of you guys are like this too. I will like get in very like self-destruct not habits, but like thoughts like in my head. Things will be completely fine, but in my head they're not completely fine. This is like not product placement, I swear. I was just shooting content for Amazon because that is going to be my whole life for the next like 2 weeks. Yeah, that it's just, we have a lot going on. Another package in the mail. This is what I ordered from Target. I wanted to order bowls and then they sent me, like I needed to do $35 worth of stuff, so I bought this, and then oh my god, I bought this pumpkin and I thought it'd be like a cute like little coffee table decor. Look at the size of this pumpkin compared to my head. This would be such a good Instagram photo. I see it right now. Oh my, yeah, I'm definitely taking an Instagram photo like that. That'd be cute. But then Amazon sent me another package. This is a little sneaky peek. I'll talk about that in another video. Now I need to edit the photos and then write the caption. But yeah, I really don't have much going on today because I finished all my schoolwork. So I'm like, yeah, fun. Bunch of frat boys moved in next door and they knocked on our door to ask us a question. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. And if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go ahead and do that. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.